In this video, we're going to use logarithmic differentiation to find a derivative. It says find the derivative of y equals 5x to the fifth, well, x to the 5 root x. And to use logarithmic differentiation, you simply take the natural log of both sides. And then you use log laws to simplify the equation. And then you eventually take the derivative using log derivatives. So let's start by writing out that the natural log, if we take the natural log of both sides, natural log of y is equal to the natural log of 5x to the fifth root x. I can use a log law to separate this and write this as natural log y is equal to natural log of 5 plus natural log of x to the 5 root x. I can now use the log law that says that it's the exponent log law, which brings the exponent to the front, so I can write that as natural log y is equal to natural log of 5 plus, I'm going to write this as 5x to the 1/2 power natural log of x. And now I'm ready to do the derivative. I have all these separated. I can't simplify anymore using log laws, so I'm going to do the derivative of each of these with respect to x. So derivative of natural log y, derivative of natural log 5, and the derivative of 5x to the half natural log x. Now as I do the derivative of natural log y, you got to remember that the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. So when we're doing a natural log y, we're doing 1 over y, but we're doing implicit differentiation, so it's dy over dx, because we're not doing it with respect to the same variable. So that's going to equal, this would be 0, so we're going to write 0, plus, natural log 5 is a constant, that's why it's 0, derivative of constant 0. Product rule here, so we're going to write u is equal to 5x to the 1/2 power. U prime is, if I bring that 1/2 to the front, that'd be 5 halves, x to the negative 1/2. V is going to be natural log of x, and v prime is going to be 1 over x. So I'm going to take u prime times v, so I'm going to say 5 halves, x to the negative 1/2, times natural log x, plus, I'm going to do 5x to the 1/2 times 1 over x. Let's do some simplifying here. So we get 1 over y dy dx would equal, this would be 5, we're going to write this as 5 natural log x, because natural log x being multiplied in here, over 2 root x. And then this would be 1 over x times x to the half, that's at 1/2 minus 1 essentially, so I get plus 5x to the negative half. Now I'm going to multiply y across, so I get dy over dx is equal to y. This would just be 5 natural log x over 2 root x. And this is plus 5 over root x. We plug what y was into the equation, which is 5x to the fifth root x, and we end up with dy dx is equal to 5x to the fifth root x, 5 natural log x over 2 root x, plus 5 over root x. And that is the derivative using logarithmic differentiation.